On to the big India Today exclusive. We here at India Today have scooped out the latest satellite imagery of Ladakh. My colleague Ankit Kumar has done this. That is nailing the pullback by the Chinese troops. These high-end resolution images that you see on your screens right now are showing you contrasting ground situation on 30th of January and 16th of February. Take a closer look on your screens right now on the left side of your screens. 30th of January and on the right side 16th of February 2020. You can clearly see the contrast between the two dates. They're showing China's pullback from Pangong with absolute jaw-dropping clarity. These high-resolution images confirm that previous PLA deployment and infrastructure that had been established along with Finger 5 and 6 have been removed completely. Crucially, PLA troops have also removed several bases that were set up at Finger 7 and Finger 8. These are exclusive high-resolution images now confirming the climb down by the Dragon after 10 months of eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation on the line of actual control in Ladakh. Shivarur, our executive editor, with us, walking our viewers through the latest coming in terms of the high-resolution satellite imagery that is coming in. Shiv, for our viewers who have tuned in and just tuned in, can we walk them once again through these images that are showing that sharp contrast between the two dates as well?
Images of this kind of clarity have never been seen before, and they've been scooped by India Today's Ankit Kumar, who's with me as we bring our viewers these images. This is the north bank of the Pangong Lake, where the disengagement is taking place. The Indian Army had put out a lot of images yesterday, but what we are showing you are the first high-resolution commercial satellite images that confirm the pullback has actually happened. The Chinese are not playing around. They're not, trying to play any mind games. These images established. Just look at the before and after images of the pullback to know, because these satellite imagery cannot lie. It cannot be masked. There's no place to hide, even in the mountains, when it comes to satellites. And that's why, look at this fresh image from Finger 7 and 8, between Finger 7 and 8, where the pullback has taken place. Look at all of these Chinese campments, and now look at this image of it completely cleared. There are some areas where there is still a pullback still to take place. You can see these Chinese positions and vehicles there. They are still currently there. But look at this one. You have all the camps here on 30th Jan completely removed, completely whitewashed. You can just see sand there just 16 days later, which means this pullback is definitely happening. Let's cycle through all these images. Ankit Kumar, who has scooped these commercial satellite images, is with me. Ankit, today is the crucial day when all of this progress will be vetted in Ladakh in a meeting. And it looks to me from this, this set of very jaw-droppingly clear images that the pullback is happening in earnest. The Chinese appear to be keeping up their end of the bargain.
Well, pictures don't lie, and these pictures definitely don't lie because they are independently procured satellite images. These are not coming from China or PLA. So these pictures are an evident proof of not only the process, but also the scale of the disengagement process that has been happening over the past few days on the northern bank. Now, how this works is that the process started from Finger 4, which was the sort of the confrontation area where there was the standoff which has been going on for the last 9 months. So we reported earlier in August 2020 that a minor pullback had happened on Finger 4. But a large chunk of PLA infrastructure, including the logistics, the military equipments, even the officers' camps were seen between Finger 5 and 6. Yes. So now these images are confirming to us is that the disengagement process is happening. It is happening in full swing. This must have been the conditions set by the Indian side, that we do not want any partial disengagement, a farce that we saw back in June in Galwan River Valley. We do not want a repeat of that.
Just look at that. Just look at this. This is incredible. I mean, all of this just gone. I mean, you can't make this up. I mean, these are images that can't be doctored. These are commercially procured satellite images that Ankit has brought. And just look at the clarity of the images. I mean, just this one image, Ankit, from Finger 6. The number of trucks, the number of camps that have been completely removed. It's a beautiful beach now, almost on the banks of the Pangong Lake. And the other question I wanted to ask is, where have all these things been taken now, Ankit? They've all moved back. Have they basically moved back beyond Finger 8 now? and they're kept over there, or they moved further back?
So, from what we understand so far is that China already has a permanent base beyond Finger 8,
That's right.
the Dasrijab base. So, a lot of logistics have gone back to Finger 8, the point where China already has a permanent base. But Indian Army yesterday released some videos, probably shot by drone camera.
Yeah.
What they confirmed was that a large chunk of, especially the military vehicles, they were seen going back even beyond Finger 8.
Right.
So that is yet to be seen, that is yet to be verified, where China is going to sort of park this infrastructure, that we do not know as yet. But the agreement clearly says that China will not keep any military infrastructure between Finger 8 and Finger 4. Now, these images confirming the same, that everything that China has been working hard to put together between Finger 4 and 8 over past 9 months has now been, or is now been taken back from Finger 4, 5, 6, 7 to Finger 8 and beyond.
Just remember that this is the same China that has, emblazoned its territorial dominance and territorial claim on Indian territory by putting a mark there, a map of the country there, Mandarin there, lettering there, which has all been completely removed now. And this is a very big deal for China, Ankit, because this is a country that does not, the only thing that China respects is strength. The only thing that China respects is if it is spoken to as an equal. Otherwise, it's a country that likes to dominate, that likes to bully, that likes to, dictate terms to another country, including to India. But what India has shown, and what is being clearly established in these images, is that India has told China, you have to walk back. You have no way forward. There is no choice in the matter. We are not going to move until you move, and the leverage is now with us. Ankit, the fact that they have gotten China to move back is a historical milestone. I've seen some columnists talk about it as well. This is a country that never gives up what it has gained. And here they've actually given stuff up because of the decisive posture that India has had politically and diplomatically.
Well, Shiv, the CCP believes a lot in messaging and symbolism.
Absolutely.
And I will not be...
And we've gotten them to remove their map.
Yes. And I will not be surprised if these images ultimately end up being censored on Chinese social media. We do not expect Chinese government media to show it, but I will not be surprised if these images end up being censored on Weibo and other Chinese platforms, because that has been the strategy, that has been the modus operandi of the CCP.
Yes.
Now, this is what we are calling the defining image of the disengagement process. We have been saying that China has been pulling back. This is what a pullback means. You come to Finger 5, you make your mark, you engrave your ancient text and maps, and then now you are forced to even remove your picture, remove your map, remove your messaging, your symbolism.
Absolutely.
So this is the defining picture which defines this. I don't want to call it an achievement because a lot has.
But it is an achievement. I don't think we should have any problems in calling it an achievement, Ankit, because this has been on for 10 months, and the fact that the Indian Army has been mobilized in such a big way there. These are the fruits of that mobilization. These are the fruits of that decisiveness. The politics aside, and there will be questions that need to be asked about territory, about what has been, what has India been made to do, and the many other questions that are being asked. But look at these pictures, because the pictures don't lie. And today, phase 1, hopefully, will be complete to the mutual satisfaction of both sides. India surely keeping a tab on the Chinese pullback. And as you can see in these pictures, it's definitely happened. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, Shiv, thanks for getting us that clarification. And this is a big India Today exclusive. First up, you are seeing it on India Today, the proof of the Chinese retreating on your screens. We're going to continue to get you more reactions on the story. But for now, we're moving on.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.